Vayu in your mind, you have to give Snehan. And Snehan can be given in any form. Like externally also you can give, internally you can also give. How externally you can give? Like how externally you can give? Shiro Abhyanga, Murtadan is there. Like Abhyanga hai, Shirodhara hai, Shirobasti hai, total Abhyanga hai, okay, Udvartan hai. There are so many ways where you can give a snehan to the person, which will do a control in your mind. Fine. Also, Vaman क्या होता है? Yeah, you can say it medicated vomiting, very good for the kapha dosha. So, what I recommend is like in a maniac patient or a psychotic patient, vomit is not to be done. Why it is not to be done? Because person will not cooperate. In Vaman and Virechan, a person with a minor to moderate mental condition, he will cooperate. Okay, so for a disease like a strong condition, Vaman and Virechan are better to avoid and are to be done under the control situations. Because in Vaman, a person will not able to take the drug, he will vomit out, he will run away, he will not support. In this way, our जो procedure है वो कैसे हो जाएगा खत्म. What is the best thing out of this main panchkaram is a basti. तीक्ष्ण बस्तीज आर टू बी एडवाइज्ड और मृदु टू मध्य भी दे सकते हैं डिपेंड ऑन द कोस्ट ऑफ अ पर्सन. ओके, सो बस्तीज अगेन व्हाट इट इज गुड फॉर वायु. स्थान इज पकवाश है, पकवाश इज जस्ट मेन सीट, अदरवाइज वायु इज एवरीवेयर. ओके, देयर इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग आई मिस्ड इट. पांच जो इंद्रियां है ना, उनमें जो स्पर्श इंद्रियां है उसमें चेत संवाई स्पर्श इंद्रिय मीन्स जो मन है और जो स्पर्श इंद्रियां हैं उनका संबंध है. मीन्स मन इज इन आवर बॉडी एज वेल. जहां आप स्पर्श कर सकते हो वहां मन है. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई दीस प्रोसीजर्स आर इक्वली इफेक्टिव. चेत समवायी स्पर्श इंद्रियत्वम समत्यायी चेत मीन्स मन है दैट इज इनसेपरेबल टू द स्पर्श इंद्रिय. एंड स्पर्श इंद्रिय Vayu is there, and to control Vayu, two main good treatments are Snehan therapy, you can give in any form, and Vasti Chikitsa, that is the Ardha Chikitsa and very good for the Vata Vyadhi. Then you can perform certain very mind relaxing procedures like Takra Dhara, Shir Dhara, Tail Dhara. Why we have written it differently? Because we assess the condition and the dosha of a person, then we decide whether तेल धारा करनी है कि तक्र धारा करनी है. Okay, Chirolev, Vasti Mastishka, these are some other Panchkaram procedures which you can do on the patients. Next please. Okay, so these are which I have taken from our hospital. So in Snehan we are doing Abhyanga. Again I said why Abhyanga? स्पर्श इंद्रिय और मन का असमवायी संबंध है, इसीलिए अभ्यंग करने के बाद यू फील गुड, यू फील रिलैक्स. Fine. So we can perform Abhyanga with any Vatanashak oil. Udvartan is next. This is. Can you play this? Play भी हो जाता है, video नहीं है. So Udvartan is another where herb powder जो herbs होता है, which we are performing on the patient. No doubt, this is Udvartan we are doing for the knee joint problem, and especially where stiffness is there. Okay. So it is to be done opposite to the Abhyanga. If you know, Abhyanga is to be done in the Anulom direction and Udvartan is to be done opposite to that of the Abhyanga. Okay, with the dry herbs and Snehan to be added. Okay, that is just for your knowledge. I am not going to detail in this. Next please. Shirodhara is again a good mind relaxation. Okay, this is a Shirobasti where a cap is being attached on the head and we place oil for 40 to 45 minutes on the patient. That is also very for the excessive mental maniac conditions. Okay, next. Vaman. This is the procedure of Vaman. And again I said that patient with a moderate to severe condition, we cannot perform this Vaman because person will never cooperate. So it is to be done in a very mild condition where a person is going initially in the depressive state. Good. Again. Okay, this is the protocol of the Vasti. How we made the Vasti, how we gave Vasti, that is a separate topic. But this is very important and very essential and most effective treatment of the Niruvasti, which we actually opt for that. Okay, so there are certain drugs which are actually related to your mental health, which we can add in the cloth and we can give it to the patient. Next is Nas, which I am going to demonstrate. I will be talking about more while demonstrating it. But Nasse is again important for giving snehan to your head. Okay, depend on that because शिरस्थान की ही बात इसमें करते हैं. Next करें. रक्त मोक्षण के बारे में क्या कहा है संहिताओं में? शीत स्निग्ध. Anybody remember? हाँ? शीत स्निग्ध ब्रीहण कृष्ण उपक्रांतश्च न गदा सम्यक् न सिद्ध्यन्ति रक्तसजान विभावेन. It means to say that कि जब कोई ट्रीटमेंट समझ नहीं आती है ना, when the person has done for like शीत चिकित्सा होगी, उष्ण चिकित्सा उसकी होगी, ब्रीहण होगी, लंघन होगी या whatever anything else had happened, a patient is not getting relief, रक्त मोक्षण and the blood letting technique is the best. It means that disorders that blood is taking those doshas from one part to another and it is better to extract that rakta from the body. And there are so many ways to extract the rakta and Jaloka is one of them and Siddha Vedan is next. Yes, in this way we are just taking the blood after performing Siddha Vedan. Next is, okay, these are certain medicines under the science which usually are very popular in giving. Brahmi, Tagar, Vacha, especially Tagar is for the hypermaniac condition when a person is not